Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show multiple databases in one view in Notion. If you've ever wished you could bring information from different places into a single organized page, this is the cleanest way to do it. You are not copying data or making duplicates, creating windows into your existing databases. So everything stays in sync wherever it lives. Start on the page where you want everything to appear. Click into an empty block and type the / command. Then the word linked. From the options that pop up, choose Linked View of Database. This tells Notion you want a view that points to a real database somewhere else. So any updates you make here will reflect in the original and vice versa. After selecting Linked View of Database, search for and choose the first database you want to display. It will load as a block on your page, just like any other Notion block, to add more. Simply repeat that same process. Click into a new block, type / and linked. Pick Linked View of Database again, and select the next database you need. Do this as many times as you like to bring all your key databases together on one page. Each linked view is independent, so you can manage them side by side without them stepping on each other. Once you've got your databases on the page, you can resize each view to fit your layout. Hover near the edges to drag and adjust the width, or drag the block's handle to rearrange it above, below, or beside other blocks. If you prefer a dashboard-style layout, drag a view to the right or left until a blue vertical line appears to create columns. This makes it easy to place a project board next to a tasks table, for example. So related information is visually connected. Each view can also be filtered independently, which is one of the biggest advantages of linked views. Open the Views menu and set filters so you only see what matters on this page. Like tasks due this week or items assigned to you, without changing how the original database looks elsewhere. This keeps your page focused and your workflow clear. You can also rename each view to make the purpose obvious at a glance. That's all there is to it. By using linked views, repeating the process to add your other databases, and then resizing, rearranging, and filtering each one, you can build a streamlined, custom overview that keeps your most important data together. Thanks for watching.